Got your head in the game, man. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to the show. Let's see. What should we talk about today? Oh, what? I'm just wired. Why am I talking so fast? Too much coffee. All right. Take two. Okay, everything's A-okay. On my way to where the air is new. Can you tell me how to get to NANABOOZHOO? Zhawenimishinaang. Zhawenimishinaang. Have pity on us. Okay, take 4. Take 400. Na 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 na. Wait a hey ya, wait a hey ya, wait a hey ya, wait a hey ya, wait a ho, na 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 na, wait a. That was Kisakola, Indian car. I don't remember the lyrics to Indian car right now. But I just remember the chorus. Wait a hey ya, wait a hey ya, wait a hey ya, wait a hey ya, wait a hey, wait a ho, wait a ho, wait a ho. He was really great for kind of mixing that old 70s rock with powwow music. Kisakola. I knew Kisakola. I mean, he's still alive and everything. And this is Kisakola, the dad. Indian car. He wrote the song called Indian Car. Come on, kids, look up your music. We got Indian history. His name is Kisakola. And, there was a time, actually, we had a mutual friend. Old Carrie Esty. Bonjour, Carrie. Carrie became a spirit a while back. Oh, wow. Am I really talking about this? Yeah, she would like this. She would. No, I can't. Now I'm all sad. All right. Take 4. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and today, our Ojibwe word of the day, Zhawenimishinaang. Zhawenimishinaang. Have pity on us. Kitchimanado. Zhawenimishinaang. Have pity on us. When you go into a sweat lodge ceremony, you might hear old Anishinaabe guys say that. Kitchimanado. Zhawenimishinaang. Have pity on us. It's kind of how those old guys would pray. And I like it. It's one of the Anishinaabe values is to stay humble. And they say when you go into a, sweat lodge, they make the door real little. So you get on all 4s and you walk in like your 4-legged brothers and sisters and that. And the Dakota people, before they go in, they'll say "Mitakioasin" or something like that. All my relations, and they're like saying, the birds and the dogs and the people and the bugs, we're all the same. We're all Gitchimanadu's creation. We're all pitiful little creatures. So we say, Gitchimanadu. Zhawenimishinaang. Have pity on us. And hoa. I sure hope he does. Have pity on us. Nah. But, should we talk to the young men again? I've been thinking I should really do a series of shows for the real little guys and girls, the people under 6. I think if I geared this more towards my younger viewers, we'd have more music and more education, and not just us rambling. So yeah, Zhawenimishinaang, have pity on us. What does that mean, to have pity? Pity us. Feel sorry for us. Nah, you should never do that. Never feel sorry for yourself. That's kind of pointless. Here's something for young people. Here's some advice from old Uncle NANABOOZHOO. I was walking around the other day, and it occurred to me. What would you say to yourself 5 years ago? Even 5 years ago. If you could write a letter to yourself 5 years ago, what would you say? You'd be like, "Dear NANABOOZHOO, you should invest in surgical mask stock." No. And 5 years ago, okay, let's say even 4 years ago, when the last presidency, what would you say? What advice would you give yourself? You can kind of remember where you were 4 years ago. Would you say, you know what, you should really go on a diet. Do 20 push-ups every day, because in 4 years I want to look good. But I was thinking about this, and it's always sort of the same thing you say. So, okay, I'll get personal with you. Yesterday I was walking around, and I was reminded that it'll be 4 years since Princess became a spirit, my cat. I used to have a beautiful white cat named Princess, who was really my only inheritance from my grandma. I got this skinny white cat. I never had a pet before. And so this cat, we became pretty close. And we were together for, 6 years or something. And I just loved Princess. Oh, wow. And when she passed away, it was really hard on me. It was the hardest grief I had ever felt. And my grandma, by this way, I gotta remind you, had died too. Sorry, Grandma. But when Princess died, from some reason, it really hit me hard. And oh wow, I was just carrying on, crying. And so I was writing this letter. I was like, "Dear Michael, dear NANABOOZHOO," I meant to say. Why would I write a letter to you? Anyway, dear NANABOOZHOO, what you're going through right now is really hard, but you will get through it. And it's going to wash away all your other sorrows. This is the beautiful thing about terrible grief. It makes you the gift it gives you is that you no longer care about everything you cared about before. It's like, oh, gee, I'm so mad at my boss. Oh, I need a raise. And, how come, this doesn't work out? And then your cat dies and you're like, I don't care about that. I don't care about any of that. Why am I so emotional? Doggone it. I wanted to do a show this morning, and now I'm going to have to. I'm going to have to start over. Don't talk about Princess. Got it. Don't talk about... I don't know. Do you think I should post this? It makes no sense, but it might be entertaining. How long have we been doing this? 10 minutes. All right. Take 4. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, you'll be hooked. La-di-da-di-da-da. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Today's OJIBWE word of the day. Zhawenimishinaang. Zhawenimishinaang. Have pity on us. Gitchamanado. Nah, it's not working. Not feeling it, you guys. All right. Nope, can't use it. Sunlight streams through window pane onto a spot on the floor. Then I remember it's where you used to lie, but now you are no more. Our feet walk down a hall of carpet and muted echoes sound. Then I remember it's where your paws would joyously abound. A voice is heard along the road and up beyond the hill. Then I remember it can't be yours. Your golden voice is still. But I'll take that vacant spot of floor in empty muted hall and lay them with the absent voice and unused dish along the wall. I'll wrap the treasured memories in a blanket of my love and keep them for my best friend until we meet above. See, I told you I was sad. All right. Yeah. So let me just say this. You know, this might be the hardest thing you go through. This might be the saddest day of your life. So a wise man once said, this might be the hardest thing you ever have to endure. So pay attention. It may never be this bad again. And you'll want to remember what it was like. I'm too emotional to talk about this now. Alright, I'm going to talk about it again in a different video. Let's see what this looks like. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and this one was for Princess.